In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to use Cascade in the Lumera Hub. This is a great way for users to store files and have access to them at any given time. So in order for you to store your files, you can simply just drag the file that you want to store into this area here, or you can press the Browse button to then select the file from your File Explorer as well. Once the file has been selected, you'll see a pop-up that will basically tell you the size of the file, the fee associated for uploading that file, as well as whether or not you want to set this file to be a private file or a public one. Once you have made your selection, you press Continue. And the process of uploading a file will require multiple signatures from the wallet. So once you press Continue, you will then proceed to go through that approval process. Once you have gone through all the approvals, the next step is to confirm that transaction. Once you press the Confirm Transaction button, you will then see the confirmation request in your wallet, which then you will need to approve. Once the file has been uploaded successfully, you will see the pop-up, which then you can go back and see the file that has been uploaded. If you would like to download the file that you have uploaded, it's just simply pressing the Download button under the Action column here. Once you have pressed the button, the request on your wallet will then ask for an approval to confirm the transaction. Once you have approved that, the file will begin downloading. And just like that, it is that simple for users to upload and download files from Cascade. This concludes the tutorial on how to use Cascade in the Lumera Hub.